Another plant of this leguminaceae family is the Glycyrrhiza glabra. Okay, so this is the Glycyrrhiza glabra, and what does it mean? Means that glycine means it contains the glycine, okay, sugar, and the rhiza means root, rhizome. So rhizome is the sweet in nature, and glabra is the bulky roots, okay. Now, in this plant, we will discuss introduction, uses, constituents, side effects, mechanism of action, toxicity, dosage, drug interaction, and contraindications. So, its botanical name is the Glycyrrhiza glabra, and this family is the Leguminaceae. English name is the Licorice, and the Urdu name is the Mulhati, and parts used are the roots and rhizome. Its chemical constituents are two: active ingredients and other components. So active ingredients is the glycyrrhizinic acid 20%. Okay. Other components are the glycyrrhizin, glabrin A and B, glyceryl hetol, and glabirolide, and isoflavones, and coumarins, and triterpene sterols. These are the constituents of the Glycyrrhiza glabra. Its toxicity: hypokalemic paralysis, cardiac myopathy, metabolic alkaloids, hypoxemia, pseudoaldosteronism. These are the toxicity of this plant whenever the dose is increased. Uses are antiviral, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, cardiac, dental, diabetes, hepatoprotection, and hormonal effects, and GI complaints. These are the some uses of this plant. That is the antiviral, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, cardiac, dental, diabetes, and hepatoprotection, and hormonal effects, GI complaints. Now, mechanism of action of this plant is that its free radical scavenging activity, means that it searches the free radical activity. Okay. Anti-mutagenic activity, stimulates hormone, decrease lipid peroxidation, means antioxidant, and hypocholesteremic action. Okay. These are some mechanism of action of this plant. Now, side effects. Side effects are it retains the salt and water retention and salt retention, and low potassium level. Okay, it's the side effects is the low potassium level, hypertension, because salt is retained in the body, so that is why hypertension occurs, and cardiac dysfunction, disturbance in cortisol level. Whenever there is a hypertension in the body, means the volume of distribution is increased. So due to the increased volume, the cardiac dysfunction may occur. And its dosage are licorice roots. Doses varies between 2 to 15 gram for ulcer and gastritis. This is the licorice roots. Okay. Glycyrrhizin is is suggested to be 0.2 mg per kg per day. And drug interaction with the warfarin. Licorice decreases the effectiveness of warfarin, increase the risk of clotting. Okay, warfarin is the anti-clotting agent. Whenever there is a interaction with this plant, Glycyrrhiza glabra or licorice, which decreases the effect of warfarin, so may clotting increase risk of clotting. Interaction with the digoxin. Licorice decreases the potassium level, which increase the side effects of the digoxin. As I told you in the first plant, that whenever the level of potassium is low in the body, so digoxin will be free in the body, and the free digoxin may cause these side effects. And its contraindications are the surgery. Licorice might interfere with blood pressure control during and after surgery. Stop taking licorice at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Okay, so licorice, what it does do, it retains the salt in the body, and due to the retention of the salt in the body, hypertension may occur and blood pressure can't be controlled. So before the surgery, at least 2 weeks before scheduled surgery, it must be stopped taking the this plant. It may also cause problem in the kidney, so do not take licorice during kidney problem. It may lower the potassium level in the blood, causing hypokalemia, Licorice can store water in the body, thus cause a severe congestive heart failure. So be careful while using. So this plant is taken from information, this plant's information taken from these books, that is the American Medicinal Plant, Book of Medical Pharmacology, and etc. So this video ends here. If you like this video, what you're gonna do, you have to do the like this video and subscribe this channel and comment below what you want to me do next. Okay, so the other plant I will teach you in another video. Thank you.